In this video, I'll show you how to receive USDC on Mexc. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Open your Mexc. If you love to receive USDC, at first you need to ask the person, the network the person is sending from. So there's a lot of networks on the USDC, so I'm going to show you now. So come on here, type in USDC. Okay, so this is it. So what you need to do now, click on the deposit. Now you're going to see different options, right? For network, there's the BIP20, there's the Solana, there's the Ethereum, there's the Arbitrum, there's the Base. So there's a whole lot of them here. So you need to ask the person which network he's sending from. So if you click on any of the network now, you're going to be able to get your USDC wallet address. So you can get the USDC BIP20, USDC Solana, USDC Ethereum. So there's a whole lot of them here. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.